Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will show you how you can get last value of an array. So this is very simple and this video will be very short. So guys, if you know, so it's okay, but otherwise someone it doesn't know, so I'm making this video for them. So let's start. So first of all, I will create an array. So here I will take a variable const and the variable name is array, and here and inside this I will add some string value like A, B, C, D, E, F. So now suppose guys, if I want first one, so I will show you that how you can do it. So first of all, now here just I will take write an for loop. So for, and now let I equals to 0 and I, and this for loop how much will be loop this one. So this will be up to the array length, that means up to A to F. So array value starts from 0, so this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that's why I have written I equals to 0 and I will going up to array, this array dot length. So length means this, it will start from A because I have written I 0 and up to F because array dot length, and now I plus plus I, so I will be increased one by one. And inside this for loop, here just I will print first of all console dot log, and here if I write this array, I will show you one by one. So first of all, if I write array I, so let's see what we can get the output. So if we inspect, and here I will zoom this developers console developer size. So console, so here you can see I'm getting all the value A to F because here I 0 and I array dot length. So if I write here array I, so I'm getting A to F, but here if I write array 0, so here you can see I'm getting only A because here array 0. So same way if I write here array dot length, because array dot length means up to this, up to here. So if I write array dot length minus 1, so you can see I'm getting the last value F, this last value F. So when we need a last value of an array, so we can write this way, array dot length minus 1. So if you want E, so you can write array dot length minus 2. So here you can see I'm getting E. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon.